What's going on, stock traders? It's your boy, What the Duck here from PB Stock Alerts, and today we're going to be going over a few stocks you can add to your long-term watch list. So first one up is LVS. This is Las Vegas Sands Corp. They are on the New York Stock Exchange. They develop destination properties and resorts that have gambling, entertainment, restaurants, and a lot more. This stock was trading as high as $148 and as low as the $1 range in 2009. Currently, it is trading in the high $40 range. So as you can see on the charts, it has some great long-term potential. Right now, we're looking to see if it holds above the $47 range. If not, it could go down to the $45 range, and from there, even the $43 range. As you can see, it was bouncing off of the $43 range. That's the second yellow line going across from the bottom. That is that $43 range line. And as you can see in the past, it was bouncing off of that $43 range before coming back up to the $60 range. But it bounced off of that resistance, as you can see with that trend line, and it went back down to where it's currently trading now in the $47 range. So basically, we're looking to add small to this one. What I mean by that is we're not going to put our whole position in at once. We're going to add a little bit at a time. So if we're deciding to put $1,000 in, let's just say, instead of throwing $1,000 in right now at $47, we might put in $200 or even $100. And then we're going to wait to see if we find a confirmation of a bottom. And then if we don't, it might go back down to $45, in which case we'll buy some more. Or maybe put another $200 in or another $300 in. That being said, if it does go down to the $43 range, as I was saying on the charts, if it does hit that $43 range, which is that second yellow line from the bottom where the price was bouncing off of in the past before making that big movement up. If it does bounce off of that range, then we are going to look to add big at $43. However, we currently are looking to see if it does hold that $47 or even $45 range as a support and bounces off of that instead, in which case we'll add big there. Another one we're looking at is Rycef. They are trading on the OTC market. They are Rolls-Royce Holdings, which is a company in the civil airspace area. So we're looking to enter anywhere under $1.20, and just like the last play, this is going to be a long-term hold, meaning we're looking to put this in a long-term account, maybe hold it for anywhere up to a year. The reason why we are looking at this is because it's showing a golden cross on the monthly chart. If you don't know what that means, you can join our Pennybois Stock Alerts Discord. We have free education and advanced trading classes where we go over all of this in detail. And like I said, we're looking to enter below $1.20. Our targets is anywhere between $1.75 to $2, and for a longer-term hold, $2 plus. So once again, we're adding small in this one. We're maybe putting in around 10% of our intended position, meaning if we're only putting in $1,000, we're going to start with a $100 buy. And the reason for that is these are long-term holds. We're looking to see if the stock does show some support, show some bottoms before adding big. And we're probably going to add some more, like another 20% if it hits the 110 range. And from there, it might even go down the $1 range, in which we'll add more. See, every time that the price goes down, we're adding a little bit more and we're developing a better position. That being said, we're not trying to just guess the bottom and put our whole position in at once, because no one can guess the bottom. So like I said, we're looking at below $1.20, and we're looking to add small anywhere down to the dollar range. So on the chart here, the purple line is our first area target and the yellow line is the second target. And quite frankly, it could even go higher than that second target once COVID is past us. So this could be a really good long-term hold. Honestly, in a couple of years, it could get at least 100% profit for you. So if you have a long-term account, you want to just throw some money into it and not have to worry about it. This one, RYCEF, it is a OTC traded stock. It's currently showing a golden cross on the monthly. Might be a good long-term ad for you. And then of course there is crypto as well. We're looking at MATIC. That's Matic, also known as Polygon. This is a cryptocurrency. It's currently not traded on Webull, but you can trade on other platforms. It is at its recent low, so right now we're trying to see if it could find a support. Our targets could be anywhere between the 79 cents range to even the 88.92 cent range for a longer term hold. This is one of those coins that we will be adding a little bit smaller and buying in a little bit at a time in case the stock price does go down. We need to average down. So MATIC, RYCEF, and LVS are all plays that we're looking at. If you want to be kept up to date on these plays, you can join our Discord. The link is in the description. We have premium stock alerts in there where we did alert all three of these stocks. So definitely be sure to check that out if you want updates on these, if you are going to be getting into them. So I hope to see you there. But until then, I hope that you all make some bread.